Hi there, my name's Chris Klein. I've been with Volvo Construction Equipment for 40 years now. I'm remarketing team lead. Remarketing, so what we have is what the process is. So we have machines that are coming back from lease. So these machines were out with dealers, leased out. So we bring them in here. The first step we do, we'll bring that machine in. We'll bring it in and we'll take oil samples. We'll take it out, run it. We'll bring it in and we'll pull oil samples. So we'll pull out all the fluids out of it. Then we'll send that out for analysis, which helps us determine if we have any failed components within the machine. So once we get that done, and then we'll start our process with the 144 step process, the checkpoint. So we'll start in the cab and we'll work our way out of the cab and then down around the machine. And then we'll just document pictures, and then we'll type up a report. The guys will grab that machine. Normally they'll go over and start disassembling a lot of the fenders, pulling the hoods off, pulling any covers off, and then they'll bring it over to the steam bay. At that point they'll do a good steam, which normally takes, it could take a full day depending on the condition of the machine. They get that done, then they'll pull it back over in their bay, and then they'll continue with the service work, which means changing out the fluids and anything else that we need to do. And then they'll start on the inspection report, and they'll get down through and start repairing all the repairs on there, on the machine. So a little bit about the background of remarketing. It started back in April of 2022 with 2 individuals. Currently right now we're up to 16 individuals in the department. So normally once they get some of the work off done, that machine will then go up to our paint shop. Them guys then will prep it. They'll do all the sanding work and prep the machine, and then they'll pull it on and pull it into the paint booth, and that's where they will do the finished paint. Since we started back in April 22, we're up around 130 machines that we have certified through the remarketing department. And then once they're painted, then that machine returns to the guys, and then basically they're assembling the machine back together. All the small parts that they took off up front there, all that parts went up to the paint shop. All those parts were painted, so now we're into the assembly side of it. It comes back and the guys basically will put the machine all back together, re-decal it, clean the cab, and then at that point it's done. And after that, then basically it comes back for the final inspection, where the inspector will go through the machine and make sure that everything has been repaired, all the decals are in place, that the cab is clean, everything is functioning. And then if we need to, we'll resample any fluids that we need to send out to verify that everything comes back normal.